first is going to the dentist.
This one is
Yeah, well, right there.
Just got my teeth cleaned. Cryptor's teeth was taken out, 2 of it. We're just eating a typical Filipino breakfast. That is beef tapa, fried rice, and egg. So Cryptor's mouth is still numb from the anesthesia. He's eating like crazy.
Buying melons and fresh mango. Bye!
Bye!
You can go.
Maureen, help me out. Where is Malawan?
My nose is red. On our way to Gingoog City, and Joshua will see where I go on vacation when I was a little kid. When we go to Gingoog City, have a summer vacation, we ride the bus and then I puke in the bus.
Yeah, you told me that.
I don't like the smell of the coconut thing. It's famous here that they burn the coconut.
Oh yeah, I smell that.
Yeah. And that smell makes me kind of like dizzy. Also the tires of the bus, I don't like those whenever they break. Yeah, the rubber smell.
Yeah,
I don't like it. And I have to lay on my mama's lap so that I can just relax, you know, and wait till we're there. Our first stop is at Petron. Everyone has a call of nature. More.
People ride like this. Motorcycle had a board on it and 2 people sitting on the board on each side, like balance.
We're in Gingoog.
Far.
Keep going. Of the 29th, and my nose is really irritated, but we're at my aunt's house in Gingoog City and we're gonna go walk somewhere right there. We'll check it out, what's in there. That's my nephew. What's your name? Hector. Yeah, let's go. Well, this is the place that I always go when I was younger. My siblings and I visit here to go have a summer vacation, and yeah, this is where it is. And it's been a long time since I've been here, so I'm so glad I'm back, and it's so pretty. That area right there with the smoke, that's where my grandpa Colas stays, but he's in heaven right now, so God bless his soul. I'm just sharing it to you guys. there's a pineapple here. Right here, little baby one. And its color is red and lavender and stuff. And there's one in there too. That's why it's nice to go live in the mountain, because there's a lot of fruits that you can plant and then you just gotta eat it. Street where we walk to go to that house right there. That's my uncle and aunt's house. We stay right there for a couple of days. And so before we don't have a car, so we just walk or hike up to here, and we get so tired. So this place right here, they have electricity but they don't have water. The only way they could get water is to maybe buy water in the city, or there is one spring right here where they could get fresh water.
Walking to the spring. Maureen, are you washing your shirt?
Yeah. Plaza of Gingoog City, and we are just chilling and enjoying the lights right here. And what's unusual is there's a real goat in here, real sheep. Scared, but came here prepared. Look.
So crazy. I did not think there were turkeys in the Philippines. So this bridge is a little tilted. It looks like Jalen found one down there.
January 2017, we were here to visit, and it's still open, but now they closed it. But this is so pretty. The falls is really tall. Just found out that this place was closed because a person or a kid got hit by a stone from up on top of the falls, from the tip of the falls. So that's why they closed it. It's kind of dangerous. That's why maybe they're trying to fix it or something.